Now friends, see the first question. You have to see the here some questions are there. In that the question I am reading now. Which one of the following is smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? Friends, you see the in option 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 options here, all are actually we have to read the number from right side of your number to we have to move to left side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 like that we should count. But in these cases, which is the smallest one, which is the biggest one, like this given, we can follow one technique. The technique is that from right, left to right you should go. Left to right. In 4 option 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7. All are 7 only there. But which is the smallest? After 7, you followed by the next number from left. Next number in option low. First option 4, second option 1, third option 9, fourth option 5. 4, 1, 9, 5. 4, 1, 9, 5. 1 is the small number. In second position numbers, 1 is the small number. So that is the reason the smallest answer is 7130. 7130. Second option is correct. 7 is the common. By seeing the second digit, first option is having 4, second option is having 1, third option is having 9, fourth option is having 5. In these 4, which is the small? 1 is the small. So answer will be 7130. Right? Now see the second question. The difference between the smallest number of 6 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. Yes. Now options are given. 90,001, 91,000, 90,100, 90,010. Whatever is the options, you don't worry, ma. What is the question you read? The question is, what is the difference between? Difference means minus between the smallest number of 6 digits. Smallest number of 6 digits means, yes, 6 digits. Smallest number of 6 digits means 5 zeros will come followed by 1. Means 1 lakh. Okay. Next, what is the next? The largest number of 4 digits. 4 largest, 4 nines will come. The technique I told you, right? 4 nines. 9, 9, 9, 9. Now he is asking difference. Right? Here 10. When you 0 minus 9 not possible. So carry 10. All are becomes to 9. All 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 99. 90,001. 1 lakh minus 9,999 nothing but 90,001. So in these 4 options, A, first one is the correct answer, right? Now, third question. You see the third question? Here I am reading now. 5 digits greatest number to formed by with the help of 7, 2, 4, 8 and 0 is. And the condition is using the digit one time only. Each digit using once time only. 7, 2, 4, 8, 0. 7, 2, 4, 8, 0. We are using these 5 digits. We have to find 5 digit greatest number. Here I am reading the question in the book. The question will be appearing on the board. No need to confuse. What is the condition to write greatest number? Oh, means big number will come, small number, and means decreasing order, descending order. Means big number 8. Next, followed by big number 7, followed by big number 4, followed by big number 2, next 0. This is your answer. 87,420. In your option, the answer will be 3. 87,420. Answer will be third option. Right? Now, fourth question. Here the fourth question is unit digit of the product of first 10 prime numbers. Oh, what is the unit digit of the product of first 10 prime numbers? Simple. But what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 are the prime numbers. Total 10 prime numbers are there. If he is asking unit digit, means this is the unit digit, this is the unit digit. This is the unit digit. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9 is not a prime number. This is a composite number. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He is asking product. Friends, if you are doing multiplication of these 10 prime numbers, it will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes. What is the use of this kind of technique? Nothing. You are my student. I will tell you easy shortcut. 5 seconds answer. Let us see. Unit digit is 0. How, sir? Without doing multiplication, how can you say that? The answer will be here 0, fourth option. In this fourth question, answer is fourth option, 0. How would you know? Nakela telsu. Simple. You don't multiply. In this option, where is the 2, where is the 5? You have to find out. In this 2 and 5 will be there now, your answer will be 0. 2 5s are 10. Here 0 is there now, unit digit. If you multiply all the numbers, compulsory 0 will come. 10 into 20, 200, 10 into 5, 50, 10 into 16, 160, like that. Every number you multiply with, when once 0 will come, the final words, the number is, final number is having 0. Here any number will come, here the unit digit will be 0. The option is fourth option. Clear? Now these are the 4 questions I explained. Next questions. In 5th question, now I am reading here. Highest 2-digit prime number. Option 1, 93. Option 2, 97. Option 3, 91. Option 4, 99. You are a smart students. You know very well. In this 4, 2 are not a prime numbers, because prime number has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Here 93 divisible by 3, it's not a prime number. Composite number. Option 1 is trick it. Option 2, 97 and option 3, 91. 13 7 are 91. It is not a prime number. Trigger it. 99, 11 9 are 99. Also trigger it. Remaining answer only remaining is 1 only. That is the answer actually. This is the way also we have to find out the answer. And one more thing is that up to 0 to 100, 0 to 100, 25 prime numbers are there. That prime numbers is there in your mind. Direct answer without seeing any option, you can write direct answer. 97 is the answer. The greatest prime number is 97 before 100, right? Smallest prime number is 2. This is also called as smallest even prime number. It has a special property. 2 is the smallest even prime number. 97 is the largest prime number. Okay, no? Right. Now, question number 6. Here I am reading. Find the greatest 5-digit even number by using the digits 30578. 30578. He is asking greatest even digit, not greatest number. Before that we did it greatest number. Here he is asking greatest even number. Now options: 83,570, 85,703, 87,530, 87,350. Whatever it is option. Now we have to go with the answer, then after we can check the option. Greatest even means 8 is the first greatest even number. 8. Friends, here remaining even numbers, anything is there? 0 only there. 0 is the small number, it will be last place. 8 is the biggest first place, 0 is the smallest last place. Remaining 3 we can write in decreasing order, means 7, 5, 3. Finish the answer. So option is 87,530. Option is third option. Clear? Next, question number 7th one. I am reading the question here. You see that. Find the greatest 5-digit number using 9630 digits. Any one digit repeated twicely. 9630. By using these 4 values, we have to write greatest 5 digit. Sir, here 4 are given. We have to write 5-digit greatest number. First of all, you can say which is the greatest number? 9. Any one digit will be repeat once. Means 9 again I have to take big number 9, as usually I have to take 9 again. 9 మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేసుకుందాం ఎందుకంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్ కాబట్టి. So 9. Next 6. Next 3. Next digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the greatest 5-digit number. So 99,630 is the answer. In your option, that will be option number 3. Option number 3. Okay. Now followed by 8th question. I am reading here. The difference between the place values of 2 sevens in 27,307. Difference between the place value of sevens. Place value of 7. Here 1 7 will be there, here there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Bigger 1000 into 7. 1000 into 7. 7,000. 1 into 7. 7. Asking difference means minus. Carry 10. 10 minus 7. 3. It becomes to 9. This is 6. 996. 6,993 is the answer. So in your option, that should be as a first option. See friends, these 8 questions, how it is easy to understand. In what way I am going to explain this technique manner, you keep in your mind. Now let us see the 9th question. Here 80,905 represent in number formed as 80,905. Simple. You can say in words, in numbers 80,905. Finish. Answer is finish. 80,905. So 80,905. In your option number 2, 80,905. 905. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 80,905. So they have given in that exam in words. We have to write in number system. Better to write in each and every word can be written as separately. After that you can write plus. I add it. But you write in order, very very important. This order will be very very important. Okay. Next 10th question, see that. Yes, the place value of 5 in 214.56. Simple friends, 214.56. I told you here ones, tens, 100. It is decreasing 1, 10 like that. Here ones, tens, 100 like this, 110. Here when the decimal will be there, you can take 1 by 10. 1 by 100, that is very important. Here 1 will not come, 10 will start. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So he is asking place value of 5. After decimal, first position is there. 5 into 1 by 10. For example, we are doing 2 means 2 into here. Value is what, amma? 2 into 100. Like that we are doing to multiply. Here also we should do multiply. But the number will be in the fraction form. So 5 into 1 by 10, 5 by 10. Actually 5 by 10 is there in option, not there. Like you can write 1 by 10 also in 9, 10 to the power of minus 1. It is also not there, you can write 5 into 10 to 0.1. In these 3, which is correct? According to your option, that is to trick it. So I think it is there. So in 10th question, the answer will be 5 into 0.1, third option. Right? Once again, 5 is the first position. We should multiply with 1 by 10. For example, 6 is asking 6 into 1 by 100 you can do. 1 by 10 you can write written as decimal form 0.1. So that means 5 into 0.1. It is there in your option. So answer is that is 5 into 0.1. Now question number 11. Yeah, here the question is the difference of place value and face value of 4 in the number of 46,890. 46,890. He is asking difference between face value, place value. Face value, place value. Friends, face, place. Place means, I told you yesterday, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The place value of 4 is 10,000. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. And face means same number will come. 1 will be 1, 2 will be 2, 100 will be 100. So that is the face. He is asking difference, means minus. Carry 10. 10 minus 4, 6. These are zeros becomes to 9. Now 4 becomes to 3. So 9993. So 39,996 is the answer. So your answer will be third option. See the 12th question. Now I am reading here from the textbook. The difference between the largest and the smallest number of 3 digits. I told you friends, 3 digits, largest 3 digit 9993 will be there. 3 digits means 2 zeros 1 will come. In that case of smallest 3 digit number is 100. He is asking difference 9 minus 1 8. Finish the answer. How much time it has taken to complete it? Just 5 seconds. Now the option is in this question 899 option is third option. You have to bubble it. Now let us see the 13th question. Now I am reading here. The number 36,490, when the digits 6 and 9 are interchanged, then the difference between the original and the new number will be simple amount 36,490. This is the number in the question. In this 9 and 6 will be interchanged. These two are interchanged, their positions. What is the difference between the original number and changing number? He is asking what is the result value. Simple. First you have to interchange. 3 has is right, 4 has is right, 0 has. 9 will come to here, 6 will go to that side. It becomes to 39,460. Now this is a big number, this small number. You write again here. Now difference 0, 16 minus 9 7. Here 3 not possible. Again carry 10 13 minus 4 9. Here it becomes 8 minus 6 2. 2,970. Answer will be there. That option will be third option. Option will be third option. How it is easy. After interchanging, this is the big number. You can write a small number. By using this condition of difference, you can get the answer. Okay. Now difference is very easy for you. I know very well. Now see the question number 14. What is the question number 14? I am reading now from my textbook. How many times will the digit 9 occur in writing the numbers from 1 to 100? The question meaning is 1 to 100. How many 9s are there? Now pause the video just 2 seconds. Say it. Yeah. You are saying 10, 20, 15. Now logic you follow. Not 10. Somebody are saying 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. 10 only, sir. No. 20 is the correct answer. How it is? 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Here 9 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. Total 20 times. You see how it is easy? This is a magic I am going to explain in each and every chapter. You don't worry. How many 9s will be there? Not only 9, every number like that 20 times will be repeated. Okay. Next, dear friends, now come to the question number 15. So your option is in this 14th question option 20. Then the option will be third. Now 15th question. Now I am reading my textbook. How many prime numbers are there between 80 to 100? Between 80 to 100, tell me children. 80 to 100, 20 numbers are there. In that, how many prime numbers? 3. That's it. 3 prime numbers. How it is, sir? What are they? 83, 89, 97. That's it. 3 prime numbers. Your option answer is 4th option. Now followed by the 16th question. Sum of all prime numbers between 1 and 10. Option 15, 17, 18, 16. Friends, very simple question. Between 1 to 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. Sum of these 4 numbers, 17. Between 1 to 10, what are the prime numbers? 4 are there. Sum it. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Finish answer. Right? Now see the friends, see the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Here 17th and 18th questions are very tough questions. Actually, in that case, they are not giving this kind of tough question. Maybe we have to learn the all areas of the fundamental operation on whole numbers. In this case, in this chapter, I am explaining the 17th, 18th, and 17th and 18th question based on unit digit. Actually, friends, the question is find the unit digit of 18 to the power of 96 minus 4 to the power of 6. 18 to the power of 96, 4 to the power of 16. How can you solve this question? If you multiplied 96 times 4, 16 times, what is this? This is an entrance exam. We have to complete the answer within 1 minute. Means the logic is, this power should be divided by 4. This power should be divided by 4. When it is asked unit digit, the power should be divided by 4. Here one note point will be there. In this question, one note point will be there. Except 0, 1, 5, 6 to the power n. In the place of anything, in place you can take any number. Except 0 to the power of n1. These kind of questions will be there. Unit digits in the place. And like this, 84, here 8, here 4, like this. These numbers will be there. Same numbers will be the answer in unit digits. Answer in unit digits. Same number will be the. Okay, na? Except 0, 1, 5, 6, remaining what are the numbers? 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 will be there. Will come. The reflected answer will be 1. Here, once again, except 0 to the power of n will be 1 to the power of n, 5 to the power of n, 6 to the power of n, numbers will be there. We are getting same numbers only in the unit digit. These numbers will come as a powers like this. It will be divided by 4. We should get 1, 1, 1 only. Example, here 4 will divide. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 8. 1 remainder 16. 4 4 ja, 16. So this number exactly divisible by 96. Means it is in the form of 8 to the power of n. 8 to the power of n means what is the answer number? 1. 1. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja, 16. Okay na? It is also exactly divisible by 4. 4 to the power of n value, what is the answer number? 1. 4 to the power of n 1. Between minus will be there. 1 minus 1, 0. Finish answer. Right? The option will be 1. The option will be 1. Next, one more question you see, then you can understand. This is question number 18. Okay? Same based on unit digit. I am going to explain to better understanding. Okay, friends? The question is, find the unit digit in 7 to the power of 65. This is the question. Simple. I told you, note 1. 0, 1, 5, 6 will be there. Same number will become. Yes, 6 is there. 6 is there. 6 will come. 3. 3 to the power of n. 1 will come. But it will be divided by exactly 4 or not. We have to check it. Here 65, 57. It will not be divisible by 4 exactly because unit digit is odd. Odd. In such cases, keep in mind, in such cases, we can do like this process. 64 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 6 is 24. Remainder 1. Oh, remainder is 1 getting. Means we can written as, remember, 4 will divide 16, the remainder 1. 4 into 16, 64 plus 1, 65. So it is okay. It is in the form of 7 to the power of n. 7 to the power of n and what is the answer? 1. But it is in the form of a power of m or a power of m plus n formula. That means a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Okay. So children, a to the power of m means 7 to the power of 4 into 16 into 7 to the power of 1. It is in the form of 7 to the power of n. 7 to the power of n value 1. 7 to the power of means 7. 7. Now 3 power 57. 57 will be divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. I am explaining detailing, but no need to this much. Directly we should write the answer. First you can go with the traditional method. 1. 17. 4 4 is 16. Remainder 1. Yes, here also remainder 1 means the 3 to the power of 4 into 14 plus 1. 14 4 is 56 plus 1 57. It can be written as 3 into 4 to the power of 14 into 3 power of 1. This formula. 3 power of n. 3 power of n value 1. 1. 3 power of 1 3. 3 into 3. 7 6 are 42 into 3. 2 3 is 6. 12. Unit digit value is what number? 6. So in this question, your option is 6. First option. But this kind of total solution you can't do in the exam. Direct answer. I told you these two note points you can keep in your mind. These two note points. 6 will be there. Directly write 6. Direct. Now 7 here 3 like this model 7 and 3 means compulsory one or same number will become. Here what is the number? Odd number. Compulsory this number will come. Here also odd number. Compulsory this number will come. Compulsory because you see 14 4 is 64. Only one remainder. So that is the remainder one means 7 will come. Here 14 4 is 56. Here also remainder one. In such cases you can take direct 3 and take direct 7. 7 6 is 42. 42 into 3. 3 to the 6. 6 is the unit digit. 6 is the unit digit. This is the answer. Like this also you can write. Okay na? Simple. In these two cases, 17th, 18th cases, you can go with the power will be divided by 4 or not. It will be divided by 4. The remainder 0 means this kind of numbers will come. Same numbers is the answers. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 will be there. 1 is the answer. Here it is divided by exactly like this form. 1 is the answer. 1 minus 1. 1 minus this is also 4 power of n value also 1. 1 minus 1 value 0. Here it will not be divided by 1. Remainder 1. Here also will not be divided by remainder 1. Remainder 1 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 7 3 is 4. Multiplication. Okay. Now question number 19th. 85,536 is divisible by which number without actual division? 85,536. 85,536 divisible by which number? Without doing any actual means Vinayaka method we can't do it. Here what is the option? 5, 3, 7, 13. I told you if you know the divisibility rules, then it is easy. First simple amount. What are the options? You can go with option. First option is 5. In the unit place is 0 or 5 will be there? Nothing. So 5 is not the answer. Not the option. Second one 3, third one 7, fourth one 13. Let us check it. Sum of the digits. Simple. The technique is sum of the digits. 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. 13, 18, 21 plus 6. 27. 27 is the multiple of 3. So this total number is divisible by 3. Answer is second option. Okay. Now question number 28. Very interesting question, friends. On dividing 18,270 by a certain number, the quotient is 186 and the remainder is 42. Find the divisor. I told you in this first session I explained literal information about mind mapping. Yes, you know that mind mapping. Dividend is equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the very important formula for division algorithm. In this question what is given? On dividing, dividend is given 18,270 is divided by 186. Divided by which number we don't know. Quotient is given 186 and the remainder also mentioned 42. What is asking? Divisor. If you know this formula, then the answer will be easy. First you have to transpose 42 left side. It becomes to minus. Means 18,270 minus 42 divided by 186. Then you will get the direct answer divisor. So now divisor if you want means 42 you have to transfer left side becomes to minus 42. Now into 186 comes to divisor. Right? Here after subtraction of these two we should get 228 by 186. Okay? Simple. We have to go with 6 table. Very easy to cancel. Otherwise you can go with 2 table also. 6 1 ja. 6 3 is 18. 6 30 is 180. 22. 6 3 is 18. Right? 4 there. 6 8 is 48. Okay number. Now 31 is a prime number. Directly we can think as 31 3038. So 31 1 ja 31 31 98 ja. 98. Simple. But how would I know this answer 98? Up to this is very subtraction of this number. We know 80,228 by 186. Simple amma. But this calculation cheyakandi. Exam we have to go with the technique. This is wrong. The logic is answer to the question. Answer to the question. Right? Here, answer in these four options 48, 79, 98, 198. All are unit digits are 8 only actually. You can choose the 98 for example. I am choosing here. You multiply with 186. Okay? Now, after getting, you should add with this. And this you multiply with 18,228 you will get. Add with 42. 10, 7, 2, 180. Yes, 18,270. We will get LHS value. So which number is perfect here? 98. Then you can take the answer. So option will be 98. Now dividend is given. Divisor is we have to find quotient and remainder also given. Answer to the question. Take the divisor, multiply with this one, add with 42. Then you will get this is the correct answer. That is the correct option. For example, you are not getting 270. Less number or more number will get. It is not an option. That's it. Okay. Number 21. I am reading through my textbook. Rajesh weight is 5 kgs less than Ramu's weight and Neha's weight is 3 kgs more than Ramu's weight. Rajesh is 5 kgs less than the Ramu weight and Neha weight is 3 kgs more than the Ramu. Here less than, more than, the words will be easy. And if the total weight of these three persons are 103 kg and find the weight of Ramu. Here 34, 38, 33, 35 is given in options. In these options. Friends, I told you this kind of questions. Which name is, which value is, repeat twicely that number which have to choose as a x, unknown quantity. Means here Ramu weight we don't know. That should be x. Ramu weight is x. What about Rajesh? Rajesh weight is 5 kgs less than, means minus. Next, one more person in the question, Neha weight is 3 kgs more than the Ramu. 3 kgs more than the, more means plus. Now, this total weight is 103 kgs. 3 members weight is 103. X plus x, 3x. Simple technique you see. Plus 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 transfer right side becomes to plus 2, it becomes to 105. 103 plus 2, 105. Now 3x equals to 105, x equals to 105 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 9. Remainder 1, 15. 3 5 ja. So 35 years, 35 kgs. The Ramu weight is 35 kg. In the question he is asking the Ramu weight only. Means 35. So option perfect answer will be fourth option. Sometimes they are asking for example Raju. They may be asked the Raju also. Means 35 minus 5. 30 kgs. Keep it in mind. Okay. Now question number 22nd. Same kind of question. In an examination, Karan got 10 marks more than the Bhavana. Isha got 5 marks less than the Bhavana. If trio means 3 members. Trio get a total of 170. Then what is the marks obtained by Isha? Here what is the name repeat twice name? Bhavana. That is the reason you can take is Bhavana is X marks. What about Karan 10 marks more than Bhavana? Karan 10 marks more than Bhavana. In the exam also you can write like this shortcut only. Okay, don't try to Bhavana full name, shortcut. And Isha got 5 marks less than. Isha got 5 marks less than. On Bhavana. Here Karan and Isha both are comparing with Bhavana. Bhavana X, Karan more than half Bhavana, 10 marks. Isha 5 marks less than half Bhavana. 3 of them, they are getting how many marks in the question? 170. What about marks of Isha? Not Bhavana. Isha. Here Ramu. Here asking Ramu. But here asking Isha. Keep in your mind the difference between asking the question, way of asking the question. Now x plus x, 3x. X plus x, 3x. Plus 10 plus minus 5, plus 5. Now here plus 5 transfer right side becomes to minus 5. 170 minus 5, 165. Here 3x equals 165, x equals 165 by 3. 3 1 3 5 15. 1 3 5 15. Answer 55 is not, my dear students. That marks for Bhavana. But he is asking Isha. In the question he is asking Isha marks. Isha x minus 50 and that means minus 5. 50 is the correct answer. Most of the students taking only 55, they are doing bubbling. Nothing. That is wrong. He is asking Isha means x minus 5. X means 55 minus 5. 50. 50 marks for Isha. Have you got it, dear students? Now let us see 23rd question. Here I am reading now. What value must be given to star so that the number 6912 star is divisible by 25? Amma, you see 6912 star. In this, which number will be divisible by 25? Option 3, 5, 4, 7 given, Amma. This is divisible by 25. You know, 25 means the unit digit is what? 5. The 25 unit digit is 5. 25 will be divided by 5. Exactly. Because unit digit is 5 will be there. So such above number also must be divisible by 5 means it has compulsory unit digit is 5. Means in the place of star we can write 5. Then it is divisible by 25. So answer will be 5. So option is what? Second. That's it. Second option is correct. How it is simple, Amma? Now don't take the number, don't go with the division. Smart technique I am explaining. Denominator 25 unit digit is 5 divisible by 5. Numerator also unit digit must have 5. So you can take the 5 is the correct answer. Right? Next question number 24. In a well, water levels was 18 meters below. 18 meters below. Due to this rainy season, the water level increases 3.5 meters up. What is the water level in the well now? Simple. Simple. 14.5. Simple. Here. How many meters below? This is the 18 meters below. Now water is increasing up to here due to rainy season. So 3. How much increase? 3.5. So 18 minus 3.5. Here decimal must be tally and here balancing the equation. 18.0 minus 3.5. Here 10 carry. 10 minus 5. 5. Here it becomes to 7. 7 minus 3. 4. Get 1. So how much is now present? 14.2. Before rain 18 meters below is there. After rain it is decreasing. That means 14.5 meters below. That's it. So your option is, that's it. 1. 1 is the answer. Now the question is, in the number 30,746, which digit has the greatest place value? 30,746. These kind of questions also they give in 2007 Jawahar Navodaya. Friends, you see place value, which is the greatest value? Simple. From left, what is the first number? 3. 3 is the answer. Fix. Nothing to worry about. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is the answer. 3 is the answer. Nothing to worry anything. Answer is over. So option is, which is the correct option? First option. Now question number 26. Yeah, the product of two numbers is 8,192. The one of the number is twice the first number. Right? Now 2 times the second number. Twice means 2 times the second number. The smaller number will be simple. First of all, what is the product of number which is given in the question? 8,192. 8,192. Here this is the first number, this is the second number. It's the product. First number usually we don't know, that should be x. Now second number will be 2 times 2x. So x into 2x, 2x square. Right? Now 8,192. So x square equals 8,192. These 2 will come to down. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 40 ja, 80. 2 9 ja, 18. 2 6 ja, 12. So x square equals to 4,096. Now x equals to square root of 4,096. We know the perfect square. This value will be 64. This kind of videos will be, I made it many videos in our playlist. You see the short techniques, how to find the square root of numbers up to 1000 also. So square root of 4,096 value directly 64. This is the answer. Friends, I told you one thing. Here, answer to the question also we should go. Answer to the question also we should go. For example, in this question, options what are there? 8, 16, 32, 64. Here B number will be 8000. So we don't take 8. 8 is a small number. 16 also small number. We can apply 32 or 64. Now for example, you can write 64. Double, I mean twice. 2 times 64, 64 the 4096. And 2 times. Tally. Answer to question also possibility is there. Answer to the question also. Okay. Like this also very easy, but you can go answer to question also possibility. See, take the option, square it and double it. You will get the perfect which is given in the question. Now 27th question. Yeah, this is the 27th question. Now I am reading the question is here 143,865. 1,43,865 is divisible by which of the numbers? 346, 529, 235, 359. So first I am going to write the question. Friends, by seeing the question you can guess the answer little bit. No, nothing to do any. Take the paper, pen also. Nothing. Just logic. Unit digit is 5. So this number must be divisible by 5. Only 5 are odd numbers. In option, you see in your option. First option 3, 4, 6 is there. It's not a answer. First option wrong because 6 is the even number. Here odd number. Not possible. Second option 5 to 9. 5 to 9. 2 is the even number. It is also not possible. Next third option 2, 3, 5. Here also 2 will be there. 2 is even number. Here odd number. Not possible. Next fourth option 3, 5, 9. 100% 4 is the correct. So answer will be 4th one. That's it. Friends, these are the 3 questions. We are going to complete the session of number system and fundamental operation and whole numbers. Friends, I am explaining in my best of knowledge. You do one thing, you do subscribe our channel and share to everyone. Now let us see the beautiful 3 remaining questions are 28. Now here, if 10 star 4 divisible by 3, the number at star is option 1 4, option 2 1, option 3 2, option 4 3. Okay, the question is 10 star 4. 10 star 4. This number is divisible by 3. Then number at star. This number divisible by 3. What is the number will be here? In previous question, total number is given. If it is divisible by which number? Means we have to add all the digits that should be multiple of 3. Then the total number is divisible by 3. But here star is given. Simple number. Here unit digits. Here also you can sum of the digits formula. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 is divisible by 3. Not possible. Which number? If you add it, that total number will be divisible by 3. 5 after 6 will come. Yes. You can add with 1, 6. 6 will be divisible by 3. So in the place of star, you can take 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 divided by 3. Answer is finished. Your option is second answer. Second option is correct. How it is easy, friends. The technique I am telling you. See. Next. Here you can keep 1. It is possible. Clear. That's it. For suppose your 5 is not there. 7 is there, for suppose 7. How much number? Plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Naturally, the option will be 2. But here 5 will be there, the answer will be 1. Next, 29th question. A man, you see here, a man monthly salary is 25,000. He spent 2,500 on clothes, 4,000 on food, 3,000 on house rent, and 3,500 on education monthly. And he has spending some amounts in monthly. Out of 25,000, he spent it. His monthly saving how much? What is the salary? 25,000. His salary 25,000. Now his spending amounts 2,500 on clothes, 4,000 on food, 3,000 house rent, and last one 3,500 on education. Okay, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 7, 10, 13. 13,000 is going to spending in every month. Out of 25,000, 30,000 is gone, remaining 12,000. That is the answer. You can do it here. 0, 0 to 12,000. That is called saving amount, right? The answer will be third option, right? Next, 30th question, the last question, but not least question, dear friends, is a very interesting question. Yeah. The unit digit in the product of 163 into 87 star into 239 is 1. Some number will be there, but the unit digit is 1, is giving result. Then the digit that the place of star will be, options 1, 3, 7, 9, which is simple and simple. Follow the technique, my technique follow. Who is that unit digit here? 3. Here star, here 9. Okay. Keep yes, he is this fellow, keep aside. 3 into 9, 27. 27, which in here 7 is the unit digit. 7, which number it is multiplied with, we will get unit digit 1. 7 is multiplied with which number, we should get unit digit is 1. 7 1 is 7. It is not unit digit 7. 7 2 is 14. 4 is the unit digit. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. In that unit digit is what? Which is coming? 1 coming. Yes. So which number we have to keep it here? 3. Check it once again. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 9, 81. Yes, came. That's it, friend. Once again. Unit digit is 3. Unit digit we don't know. Here 9. 9 3 is 27. Unit digit is what in 27? 7. 7 1 ja. 7 only. 7 2 ja. 14. Not coming 1 as a unit digit. 7 3 ja. 21. When it is multiplied with 21, we will get 3 ja. In that unit digit 1 is coming. So that is the answer is 3. Here 3 will be there. So your answer is 3. Option will be second option is correct. Okay na? Right. My dear students, I hope that you are enjoying and you are have to understand these 30 questions and beautiful mind mapping explanation also in our videos. Now your duty is that you have to watch this video till first problem to last problem with logically and practice the many questions in PDF link. I have to send it, and through that you practice well and get the good rank. And finally, you have to share this kind of videos to your friends and make a subscribe it. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.